Hey guys, it's Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. We got something a little different for you today. We've got a 2018 Silverado. So this truck did come in with a little bit of hail damage, but that's a good idea for anybody that's looking for an inexpensive way to start a build. A lot of people don't want to be dropping 50 G's on a brand new truck only to be throwing another 5-6 G's into customizing it and making it your own. So if you're willing to deal with a little bit of body damage, the hail damage specials are a good way to go. We set this up on the 3.5-inch lift from Rough Country, and that's a really good kit to be able to clear some 33s and get a little bit more of an aggressive look without going totally wild on it. So we sent it up on some Mayhem wheels. These are the Mayhem Warriors. They're 20x9 with a 0 offset. It's got a bent back spoke look, which actually gives it about 3 inches of lip on there. So it's definitely a really cool look if you're looking for that lipped wheel without having to go with a 20x10 or even a 20x12. This is running on the Ironman All Country MT tires. They are a less expensive brand, so that's something that you've got to keep in mind, but they do have a very aggressive tread block to them. And those tires are a 33x12.5. So with this kit and this offset, we did get the tires to stick out about a 1/2 inch outside of the fender well, which does give it that custom look, but still retains a little bit of that factory look. So it's sort of the best of both worlds.